I'm Nick Brooks, a California civil litigation attorney. If you've ever heard the word sanction in court or on TV, it probably sounded serious, and it is. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what sanctions are, why judges impose them, and how they can completely change the outcome of your case. What is a sanction? A sanction is a penalty or consequence imposed by a judge for improper conduct, rule violations, or abuse of the litigation process. What's the purpose? Well, to keep order, ensure fairness, and stop bad faith tactics. Sanctions can be fines, procedural penalties like striking your pleadings, or in the extreme, dismissal of your entire case. What gets you sanctioned? Well, filing frivolous lawsuits or motions, ignoring discovery like refusing to turn over documents or answer questions, violating court orders or deadlines, deceiving the court, such as hiding evidence or lying under oath, and using harassing or delay tactics to frustrate the process. Courts do not take any of this lightly. In California, judges have broad authority under California Code of Civil Procedure, especially sections 128.7 for bad faith filings and section 2023 for discovery abuses. In federal court, Rule 11 covers improper filings, and Rule 37 handles discovery sanctions. Also, judges have inherent power to penalize egregious misconduct. The law is clear. Follow the rules or face the consequences. Sanctions come in different flavors. Monetary sanctions are fines, either paid to the court or to the other side for their wasted time. There are also issue or evidence sanctions, which can block you from using certain evidence or establishing key facts. Also, there are terminating sanctions, which are the nuclear option, which is essentially dismissal of your claims, entering default judgment against you, or striking your pleadings entirely. And in extreme cases, contempt of court can even land you in jail. Sanctions are not just technical penalties. They can destroy your case. A few $1,000s in monetary sanctions hurt, but evidence or terminating sanctions can make it impossible to win, no matter how strong your underlying facts are. I've seen cases lost not on the merits, but because one side got sanctioned. So what should you do if you're facing sanctions? First, take every court order and deadline seriously. Respond to discovery promptly, and work cooperatively. Never mislead the court or hide evidence. If a sanctions motion is filed against you, get an attorney, such as myself, immediately. Do not try to handle a sanctions hearing alone. And if you think the other side is abusing the process, document everything before you request sanctions yourself. Honesty, diligence, and respect for the court are your best protections. Follow the rules, meet deadlines, and play fair. Judges have wide discretion on sanctions, and you do not want to be on the wrong side of that discretion. So, sanctions are powerful tools judges use to enforce rules and keep litigation honest. Whether you're in California or federal court, understanding what triggers sanctions and how to best avoid them is essential. For a full legal breakdown of this issue, please visit my blog at nickbrooksesq.com. That's nickbrooksesq.com. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more litigation strategy tips. Thank you very much.